Hello everyone, today I will be showing you the correct way to fold a letter and place it inside the envelope. So step 1, place the letter nearly on a flat surface with the written side facing upward like this. And the step 2 is fold the bottom part of the paper upward, dividing into 3 equal parts like this. Step 3, then fold the top part downward to meet the first fold like this. Make sure you fold it properly. Step 4, smooth out the paper to keep the folds neat and even. You can use your nail or thumb. Do like this and this. And after that, insert the letter into the envelope with the folder edge going first. Make sure that when the envelope is open, the letter content faces the reader. You can do like this and then do it again if did not work in like that. Step 6, seal the envelope surely and make sure it looks clean and professional. And that's how to proper fold the insert a letter into an envelope. Thank you for listening.